Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing a cap that Red Bull recently sent me. Huge shout out to Red Bull, thank you for the cap. And let's get started. So yeah, Red Bull, well, honestly, I like their sugar-free drinks. But Red Bull is just more than drinks. It's about, they've been doing a lot of impossible things. I don't know if you guys seen, but you know, they even have Red Bull records, so that's what's cool. Man, great like shipping methods. Sweet. Everything's secured. The box looks nice. Little damage there, but it's fine. Who cares? It's a box, you know, it's meant to be damaged. So yeah, they do more than everything, like especially that jump from space. That was pretty sick. So yeah, dun, 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 dun. So they sent me a cap. Awesome. They also sent me a voucher, a wine voucher. It's pretty sick. If anybody wants it, let me know. I'll drop it down in the comments, guys. $100 for a wine voucher. I'll be doing a small giveaway, and yeah, we'll go for it from there, guys. So back to the video. They sent me a Red Bull new EraCap. So I love the new EraCaps. They're pretty sweet. Other than that, I think that these are nice. I wear 758 because that's the right cap amount that I'm supposed to wear. And this is Major League Soccer, if anybody knows. So it's pretty sweet. I have a couple of caps. I have a large one because, like, you know, I have a big head because I'm big-headed. But other than that, I like the material. It's new Era material. It's not a knockoff of how many people think it is. The new Era logo, the Red Bull Soccer, New York. Pretty sweet. Other than that, thank you, Red Bull, for sending this. I know you guys are always working hard. I appreciate you sending me this. The material is pretty sweet. And actually, when I'm drumming, I wear these because I get sweaty. And instead of the sweat dripping down my face, it actually goes in through these little sealants right here. So that's pretty sweet that they have. If you guys don't know, yeah, look up new EraCaps. They have amazing caps that I recommend. A little more detail. It's 100% polyester. Here's the dimensions: 758, 60.6 centimeters. Major League Soccer. And yeah, it's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions about the new EraCaps, I'll drop a link down below to their website. I love this. Once again, thank you, Red Bull, and thank you for your affiliation. I hope to see you guys soon. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.